It's just a very short, quick video. Up until now I've only ever posted videos about my exploits in the world of 3D printing. What I'm going to start doing now is putting videos about another of my hobbies, which is sort of home automation. But I appreciate that subscribers of this channel might not be interested in those, although there is always a crossover between the two. So I'll just I'll create playlists on the channel and just put the 3D printing stuff in one playlist and home automation stuff in a different playlist. So if something appears in one of those categories and you're not interested in it, then don't bother watching the video. So the first video, which I'll be doing shortly, is my upgrade of my study blinds, which is a bit crude at the moment. So the working prototype I've got actually has a lot finer control, because it tracks the sun angle relative to the window and turns the slats so that they're always at 90 degrees to the angle of the sun on the window during the hours of daylight and when the sun is bright, etc. So that will be the first video in what I plan is going to be a series of non-3D printing related stuff.